Okay, y'all, the people have spoken. I'm gonna just do an at-home workout because I think it makes the most sense to just do leg day today, or like my glute leg day today, and then I'm not gonna have to work out on Saturday because like my kids are home tomorrow again. I feel like everybody's gonna be home all week, but as long as the gym's open tomorrow, I can go in the morning before everybody wakes up, and it doesn't matter. But yeah, the people have spoken. I'm putting my hair up, got my pre-workout, so if I can't sleep tonight, that's why. I'm gonna get leg day in.